Hi, in this video we'll learn how to find the equation of a line when given 2 points. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Now to find the equation of a line, I only need to find two things. I need to find the m stands for slope, that means I need to find the slope of a line, and the second thing I need is the y-intercept, which is b. b is the y-intercept. Now, how do I find the slope of a line? There's a formula to find the slope of a line, which is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, where's my x1, where's my y1, where's my x2, where's my y2? So what I'm going to do is, remember that every ordered pair has an x and y coordinate. So I'm going to label these points as x comma y, x comma y. Now, to differentiate between these 2 points, I'm going to label this pair as x1, y1, and this one as x2, y2. Now, these are my x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to use these values and plug into this formula. So let's do that. y2 is 10, so I'm going to plug in 10 in my formula, minus y1 is 4, so we're going to write 4 here, over x2 is 3, minus x1 is 1. Now, let's simplify this. 10 minus 4 is going to give me 6, 3 minus 1 is going to give me 2, and 6 divided by 2 is going to give me 3. So my slope is equal to 3. I got my slope. Now all I need to find is my y-intercept, which is b. Now for b, you can pick whichever point you want to, but I'm going to pick this point. I'm going to pick the easier one. If you have the negative ones in your problem, avoid using them, as it's going to make your problem more complicated. And it doesn't really matter which point you use, which point you pick, you'll always end up with the same y-intercept. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this point 1 comma 4, and y equals, I'm going to write my equation of the line y equals mx plus b. Now 1 comma 4 is an ordered pair, so I can write this as the x coordinate and this as the y coordinate. And see, this point is on the line. If these 2 points are already on the line, then it should satisfy my equation. So what I'm going to do is, in place of x, I'm going to plug in 1. In place of y, I'm going to plug in 4. So we're going to plug in 4 here because y is equal to 4. I got my slope, which is equal to 3. My x is 1, so I'm going to plug in 1 here. And we're going to solve this for b because I need to find the value of b. Now here I got 4 equals 3 times 1 is going to give me 3 plus b. In order to solve this equation for b, I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. So we're going to use the inverse operation to solve this equation. 4 minus 3 gives me 1. Here 3 minus 3 is going to be 0, and I'm only left with b on the right hand side. So I got b equals 1. Now I got both the values. I got the value of m, I got the value of b. We're going to plug this value into our equation. So I'm going to write my equation y equals mx plus b. Then y is equal to, in place of m, I'm going to plug in 3 here. We're going to leave x as it is because we need x and y for equation, and the y-intercept is 1. So my final equation for the line is going to be y equals 3x plus 1. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel and want to see more videos on other math topics, be sure to subscribe down below and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.